You guys, look what I did. I got stains on my favorite hoodie. I thought it would wash out, but it didn't. But have no fear. The sweatshirt is not ruined. I'm going to show you how to breathe new life into your stained t-shirts and sweatshirts. I decided to do the random squish tie-dye technique. I'm not sure if that's the proper term, but I'm just going to pull the sweatshirt in like this, which is going to give it like a random design. And then just take some rubber bands. You want to make sure to completely soak your shirt with water before applying the dye. Unless you want to tie-dye your floor, be sure to sit down plastic. We're using Ritz black dye for this particular shirt. I find it easier to put it in a squirt bottle. I'm no professional, I just like to have fun, so just pour in until it feels right. Add some water. And I'm told that salt helps it keep. And shake. And then we dye. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. Make sure to do both sides. Rinse it till the water runs clear. Mommy saying, "You're doing a good job, bitch. You're doing a good job." She wants in her window. Ready? Here you go. Good girl.